when me ready, when me ready, you tell me say you're tired.
Zin.
Cause enough time, you want to see a woman that tell us, me tired.
But you have to respect your woman tiredness sometimes.
But the woman have to respect, so you want some fuck to, cause you see if she not give a fuck and you go out there go fuck somebody, guess what go happen? That could be a problem.
When man have a point, dog, you have to respect your man tired sometimes.
So,
Alright,
sometimes
me
woman tired.
Some men are tired too.
Hold on, you remember say.
Let me ask you a question now.
Eh.
No enough time your woman want from you. I have to say, babe, I'm tired no, I can't do that tonight, you know.
No man.
Liar tell
You know
me.
what me do? Make it cocky turn up and
Liar tell me. Liar tell me.
Yeah, don't tell me say I lie me.
Liar tell me. You can't say all these years, you never tell a woman say you're tired.
Bro, me never back down for a couple.
You never tell a woman say you're tired yet.
No, sir.
Alright.
No, man.
so you tell your woman say you're
Then
tired?
if me tired, what I go do?
No, man, I'm not tired, brother.
No, brother.
Me
So
never
if me
tired.
tired, me just tired.
Yo, enough time me tired.
Never
You ever
tired.
tired till you can't sleep?
Yeah, but
And once you get the cup, you drop asleep?
yeah, that no work for you.
That not for you?
No, man, me have a fuck.
No man, sometimes me tired till me can't sleep, man. Me up all night and the minute me get the front.
2 minutes.
Fast asleep.
2 minutes.
Is
Yeah.
it?
What? All right.